Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to appear offline in Roblox application. So first of all, you have to open up your Roblox app. Now on the app's main interface, what you have to do is that you have to tap on the option that says More that is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now over here, you have to tap on Settings. In your settings, you will see a lot of options over here. So you very simply have to select the option that says privacy and content maturity. Now in your privacy, you have to tap on visibility and private servers. Then tap on visibility. Over here, in show current experience, you have to tap on no one. By doing this, no one can see your current experience and join you in games. For example, if you are playing any game on Roblox, then people will consider you offline and won't be able to join you. So everyone, that's how you can appear offline in Roblox application. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.